Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. Welcome to my channel. I'm Claire from Crafty Claire Tutorials. I'm actually holding my phone by hand, so it might be a bit shaky. I have an order from one of my lovely supporters, Alison, today. And so Alison, thank you so much for your order. And in the order was gemstone bead cages. And they're very easy to make, and I'm going to quickly show you how. All the supplies are available on my website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll usually find all the products that I use in my videos. So let me quickly show you how I make them. These are all you need to make gemstone bead cages. These are the bead cages. Now these are 18 by 15 millimeters. They're silver plated with an alloy base metal. And I aim for 1 to 3 nuggets to go inside, depending on the nugget size. So these are fluorite nugget beads. Lots of colours. And we've got the lovely rose quartz. So these are nuggets, there's no holes inside of them. And these are good for making things like this. It's not a case of quantity or anything that goes in. I just try to find a nice nugget bead. If I haven't got one with all the colours on, I mean, this is lovely. This has all the colours. This one is lovely. It does actually have all the colours of fluorite. So does this one. This is a lovely one. And if you're interested in the healing powers of gemstones, I'll just pull a snippet for you. I'm using my nails for these. They're very easy to pull back. Now I'm going to see, right, let's see what we can get in. So I've chosen the blue, put that one in, and then we'll put this one inside. I think I'm going to only get 2 into this one. I don't think I've got anything small enough. I'll try, but no, that's going to be too big. No, it's just going to pull it apart. So you've got 2 in there, Alison, of fluorites and rose quartz. Again, pull these apart. Let's see how many we get in here. 1, 2. If you do have very nice nails and nice manicured nails, as you can see, I don't. They wouldn't last 5 minutes with me. They wouldn't last 5 minutes with me. They just ping off. Let's have a look. That's a nice one. Oh, that's in. I don't think I'll get any more. So there's Alison. There's 3 in there. Remember to always keep these in bags. Being silver plated, left out in the air, especially with a gemstone inside, they will tarnish. Remember to keep them in your little baggies. By baggies, I mean one of these. I always supply them in lots of little bags. I'm going to do it now. So that is simply bead cages. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.